Keith Richards celebrates both his 80th birthday and 40th wedding anniversary to wife. Keith Richards of the rock band Rolling Stones got a lot of birthday wishes from his friends and family on Monday, his 80th birthday. One picture posted on Instagram by Ronnie Wood's wife Sally showed Keith having a great time with his famous friends and family while on vacation. He was standing on a sandy beach. Keith was standing with his wife Patty Hansen, an American model and actor, holding their dog. Patty was wearing a black t-shirt and striped shorts. Sally, a film producer, was seen standing with her husband Ronnie and their 7-year-old twin girls, Gracie Jane and Alice Rose. Keith had a special day because it was also his 40th wedding anniversary to his wife Patty. Happy birthday to Keith, Sally. She also wished him and his wife Patty a happy anniversary since they got married on Keith's birthday in 1983. Keith posted a picture of himself and his wife cutting the cake on their 40th wedding anniversary to mark the event. Hello, Patricia. Happy 40th wedding anniversary. You are my love. Keith, which he wrote next to the post. Keith's bandmate Ronnie shared a picture from the past to celebrate his big day. Happy birthday, Keith, was written under the picture. Today is 80. It was revealed that the Rolling Stones had hired a Tina Turner lookalike to sing backup on their upcoming Hackney Diamonds tour. Carl, Keith, and Ronnie have all asked Chanel Haynes to join them on stage at their American shows. Chanel is probably happy because she said she was fired from Tina, the Tina Turner musical in London last year, because she went to Italy to sing Gimme Shelter with the rock band. The Stones were very close with Tina, and when Chanel joined them on stage, it blew their minds, a source told The Sun. Because she didn't want to miss the huge chance to sing live with the Stones, she quit her job on the show. Now Chanel is booked as one of their backup singers, and in the spring she will go on tour with them across America. She really appreciates it, and the band was glad they could help. Prior to playing Gimme Shelter with the Rolling Stones in Milan, Chanel had only practiced the 1969 release once. Speaking to Rolling Stone after performing for 60,000 fans at Milan's San Siro Stadium in June of last year, she said, "The sound they made was like trees in a jungle in a storm. It feels like a war to me. That hit me hard, and all of those words and eyes went straight into me." Chanel quit the West End show where she played Tina Turner a few weeks later, posting on social media a note from the production manager saying she had been fired. Before she died in May of this year, well-known singer Tina was friends with the Rolling Stones. In fact, she said she taught Sir Mick how to dance, and that he learned the famous 1960s move, Pony, from her. Tina passed away peacefully at her home in Switzerland in May after a long illness. She was 83 years old. A spokesperson for her said at the time, "Tina Turner, the queen of rock and roll, died peacefully today at her home in Küsnacht, near Zurich, Switzerland, after a long illness." Jenny Turner was 83 years old. Fans went crazy when the Rolling Stones announced a tour of North America in 2024. Tickets went on sale to the public at the beginning of this month. Guitarist Keith Richards said that the famous rock band would keep making music until they drop, and it looks like they'll do it. Last month, the band announced a new Hackney Diamonds tour. The first show will be on April 28th at the NRG Stadium in Houston, Texas, which will be the Stones' first U.S. tour in 1964. It will all end on July 17th at Santa Clara, California's Levi's Stadium.